It's a 2015 Honda Accord sedan. Year after year, the Accord is showered with awards and praise. Take a look and it's easy to see why. Drive it and you'll know why. You'll look forward to every drive with features like these: Bluetooth wireless audio streaming, Bluetooth hands-free link, dual zone climate control, power mirrors, manual tilting steering column, inline 4-cylinder engine, aluminum wheels, gas pressurized shocks, and continuously variable automatic transmission. Car and Driver adds, the Accord hustles through turns with fog-free steering and little complaint from the tires and never seems to be working very hard. Honda has a world-renowned reputation for reliability. See what it can do for you when you take it for a test drive.
Thayer Honda is happy to pass the savings and quality on to our customers. Call, click, or stop in today. We are conveniently located at 1019 North Main Street in Bowling Green, Ohio.